CBSE Class 10 Maths Trigonometry Important Questions. If sin A equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A values. Let us say ABC is a right angle triangle at B. Sin A equal to 3 by 4. As we know, sin A equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse equal to value 3 by 4. Now let BC be a 3K unit and AC will be a 4K unit, where K is the positive real number. This is a given triangle with the opposite side and hypotenuse values. As per the Pythagoras theorem, we know hypotenuse squared equal to perpendicular squared plus base squared. AC squared equal to AB squared plus BC squared. Substitute the value of AC and BC in the expression to get 4K squared plus AB squared plus 3K squared. From that we can get AB equal to root 7K. This is adjacent value. Now as per the question, we need to find the value of cos A and tan A. Cos A equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side value root 7K divided by 4K equal to root 7 by K. And tan A equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse adjacent side equal to BC divided by AB. Tan A equal to 3K divided by root 7K equal to 3 by root 7. This is the value of cos A and tan A.